All right, is there anyone else ready?
Yeah.
Nicholas, carry on.
He's in federal custody.
All right, on this one, do you know the update on the,
Not an official update. We know he's pled last year on federal court. I'm trying to get a copy of the plea bargain or what he pled to, but I don't have it as of yet.
okay. So,
Just a couple weeks.
all right, Ms. Fergus, can you recall, carry on in 3 weeks? And we probably need him, bench warranted here.
I suspect looks like a lifetime.
Oh, okay.
So let's give it for 2 weeks, and then if you decide, I don't want you to go through the trouble with that one.
It is expensive.
Yes, yes.
All right.
And it would be ignored for everybody. So,
All right, so we'll recall it for the 18th. You're welcome.
great day.
All right, you too.
Yeah.
Mr. Garcia, Antonio Garcia.
Yeah.
All right, you're going to come back on September 10th. Your attorney is currently in a jury trial. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you. Bram Martinez, counsel on Bram Martinez. Hi. So did the state tender an offer?
They did today, if we can have, maybe till the 16th or so.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if you can set this for a plea deadline date, the defense counsel is asking for, you say September 16th?
Or the 17th.
All right, September 16th would be your plea deadline date, and I'll need an acknowledgement of discovery if I have not received one.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Do you have any questions, sir? Thank you.
Thank you.
And Siriaga? Good morning.
The docket is the case, we also have a setting on September 8th for aggravated sexual assault case. I didn't have it in my calendar because I had it for September 8th.
Okay, no, that's fine. So then what we'll do is we'll just bring you back on September 8th. Sometimes what ends up happening is different cases. If you have a different case, it gets put on another date when it's indicted, okay? All right, so we'll bring you back on September 8th. Norma, he already has another case set on September 8th. All right, we'll see you then. If you'll sign the reset form for this case, then you can be excused. And thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Yes. Nicholas Cornelius? All right, are you all ready to proceed on the motion?
We were not, Judge. We were having conferences this morning with the state. We had a recommendation by the probation as to what to do with this case. State has informed me that they need to look into an alleged new number one to try and figure out exactly kind of what the gravity of that situation is, whether or not they can go along with the probation's recommendation or whether or not they need to instead want to revoke it. And so we're asking to get this case reset. It's my understanding the court will probably set this for a contested, and then we'll just come back and hopefully get some resolution, I think. But I just wanted to give the state a chance to at least have that opportunity to look at the charge and figure out kind of the daily tone agreement.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a contested hearing. And this needs to be done quickly. It says that he's on hold for federal marshals.
He is, Judge. We've got about 10 months that he's going to finish out with the feds on this case as well. So,
Okay.
You want to do that September 10th?
I'm sorry, what's it?
She's saying September 10th.
There's, wasn't there, I'm sorry, it seems like September 10th, there's getting stacked up.
I can do September 16th.
That should be fine, Judge.
All right, your contested hearing is going to be September 16th.
is there another? It's just because it's a Tuesday and I'm going to be on the bench. I know.
All right, Thursday, Norma?
That Thursday, the 18th? Perfect. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you,
We'll
Judge.
see you then. Probation, that's going to be a contested hearing on September 18th. Desiree Hiera? It's what is it?
Era.
Hera?
Yeah.
See? That's why I'm always, do I pronounce the H or not? Well, we're waiting for your attorney, Mr. Hill. Is he going to be here?
Here.
I mean, if she's on the docket for a hearing. Hello.
Hi.
All right, so this is what the issue is, what I'm receiving. You're not submitting for your UAs? Why are you not submitting for UAs?
I did submit for 2 UAs. The sample wasn't enough, so they poured it out and told me I had to come back. And in both situations, I had gave them the last bit of money that I had just to do the UA, and they told me that in order to come back, I would have to pay for it again. I didn't have the money to pay for it again, so I was running around trying to get the money.
So when you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Negative.
All right, so we're going to have her do a drug test today.
The defendant claims she couldn't afford her drug tests, but the judge cuts through the excuses fast. Immediate test ordered, right here, right now. Truth comes out quick when there's no room to hide.
All right, and then we'll come back, have you come back this afternoon. Just give me one moment.
Again, Donna?
She's going to tell you.
Oh, okay.
Can
Before can I talk to you about something?
You can talk to me after you do your UA.
Oh. I did one, just probation sent me to do one yesterday too.
All right, we're going to do this one today. All right, thank you. Tyler Ketchum.
Morning, Judge, for President.
All righty.
I'm
Good morning. How are you doing today?
hanging in there.
Oh, you got to do better than just hanging in there. Life should be about more, right?
Should be.
All right. Yes, counsel.
Judge, my understanding is we're set for a probation status. I talked to probation this morning. It looks like Mr. Kitchen's probation was transferred to Harris County. One of the conditions was that he enroll in Veterans Court. And it looks like he hasn't enrolled in Veterans Court. When I talked to him about it, and I think in conversation with probation, it looks like Mr. Ketchum has let me know that he doesn't qualify, or he's telling probation that he doesn't have any substance abuse problems. And so he doesn't want to give up his spot to a veteran who does need substance abuse program treatment. And I believe that's why we're here this morning, Judge.
All right. So here's the thing. We were here. I remember your case. You're supposed to be going to Veterans Treatment Court there.
But they didn't accept me into the program. I don't have a drug or alcohol problem. I've been very vehement with my former attorney who I fired due to malpractice.
No. So here's the thing. You're supposed to be in Veterans Treatment Court. That's where you're supposed to be. And Veterans Treatment Court is not necessarily 100% about drug addiction. Sometimes it's about mental health issues and other things, but that's where you're supposed to be. And I remember you, and we had a long conversation concerning this. Could I see his file, please? Yes. And we were here, and I said he would not be allowed to transfer to Austin unless he was.
Boom. The judge cuts through excuses faster than a headline-making prosecutor. I couldn't pay for the drug test. Sorry, that doesn't fly. Immediate testing ordered. This is a perfect example of accountability in action. When there's no wiggle room, truth comes out fast.
The attorney was here, and we went over these long hearings about his being transferred so there could be a smooth transition to Veterans Treatment Court in Austin.
Understand, Your Honor. And I spoke to the individuals over there and they denied my entrance into the program.
Oh, I'm sure they will deny it if you say I don't have any problems.
Because I don't have any drug or alcohol.
All right, so here's the thing. You're not going to be living in Austin.
Understand?
So he's not going to be living in Austin because those were the rules for in order for him to reside in Austin. And you come before me and then you go somewhere else. I don't have a drug problem. I don't have a mental health issue.
I never stated I don't have a mental health issue. I've been seeing the VA regularly.
Yeah. So he's supposed to be in the Veterans Treatment Court in Austin Council.
Sure.
That's where he's supposed to be. And if he's not going to be in that program then he's going to have to be here.
Okay.
For supervision. So it's up to him. That's the last choice he will have.
Okay, so go back to it.
So then how much longer do I have to this program, this program? I'm trying to get on with my life. I've lost everything. I've lost my service animal. I've lost my home. I've lost my possessions. I have no family left.
Yeah, hold on.
I'm doing the best I can under circumstances that are way beyond my control.
All right. So I'll let you all discuss that. All right. Thank you. All right. Justin James Gonzalez. All right, so where are we on this case, counsel? This is a motion to revoke.
It is. We filed previously a certificate of appeal.
All right, can I have the motion to revoke, please? So he has a motion to revoke.
Yes, Judge.
Yes.
But we're here to resolve that.
Okay. All right, the court is calling 2022 CR 6213 State versus Justin James Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced for the record, please?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Orlando Costa, North for defense.
And are you Mr. Justin James Gonzalez?
Yes.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Justin James Gonzalez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 6213 for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on September 20th, 2022 for a period of 7 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. We're here this morning on state's motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. Violation of condition number 2. On or about the 16th day of July, 2024 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Justin James Gonzalez, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer in violation of condition number 2.
You plead to that, true or not true?
True.
State will waive the remaining violations, Your Honor.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, and that is to deny the motion and alter and amend conditions to add safe P followed by safe P aftercare.
Yeah, that is correct, Judge. We were here about 10 days ago. Mr. Gonzalez, at that time, we were going to go forward with this motion. He wanted to take that 10 days to allow me some more time to prepare because I had just been assigned that day. I met with him at the jail, and we discussed this case. My belief was that these violations, there were some issues, I think, improving that, he did participate in one of the classes, and we needed to get, I guess, payment to them to provide the certification of completion of one of those programs. He was in the process of enrolling in parenting class. He told me that, he had done 90 days cognitive with ISF, but he had not done a substance abuse track, and that he actually wanted treatment. And so it kind of took me aback because I didn't believe that's where we were at when I first met with him. He said, no, I want to be treated. I want to get treatment. He was very motivated for treatment. He was asking for 90 days substance abuse track. If not SATA, speaking with the state agreed that if they were going to make a recommendation, that it would be for safe P. Even knowing that that's a longer program, Mr. Gonzalez said, I want treatment. And so I believe he's motivated for treatment, and that wants to help get past any of these substance abuse issues that he has.
All right. So I'm going to give you a choice. You know yourself better than I do, better than probation does, better than your attorney does, right? But you're going to have to be 100% honest with you.
Plot twist in Veterans Court. It's not just about drugs. PTSD, mental health, and overall well-being are part of the equation. But here's the catch. By denying any issues, this veteran is effectively blocking himself from the very help the system is designed to provide. Sometimes pride can cost more than any sentence.
Previously on a motion to revoke. So these are all your only choices. There's no other option. I can deny the motion. I'll alter the main conditions to have him go to safety. I don't believe he's going to be accepted in felony drug court based upon his tattoos and their meaning. Or I can revoke you, and I'll revoke you, and I'll sentence you to 7 years. Those are your two choices.
Safe P.
All right. So the court will deny the motion, alter the main conditions to include safe P and the aftercare program.
Yes, sir.
And upon release from safe P and the aftercare program, he's going to do 90 sober meetings in 90 days.
Yes, sir.
All right, is there anything else that you need from the court to be successful?
No, Your Honor.
All right, probation, is there anything else?
As far as the pending case out of Comal County, you know what's gonna happen?
I don't. I mean, it's a driving while license and all that.
Just because he'll be in limbo
No, yes.
until that case is resolved. So we can do the referrals, but
I don't believe it's been filed.
Well, if somebody could reach out to Comal County,
Yes, Judge.
I'm sure a driving while license suspended, maybe, they will take care of that.
Okay.
All right, so what we'll do is, Norma, recall this for the end of September, just to make sure that that case has been taken care of. If it hasn't, we'll need to do something, because otherwise he'll just be sitting at the jail.
Thanks.
All right, so we'll be back on September 29th. However, if that Comal case has been taken care of,
He's on bond, he says, on that particular case.
but still, it's pending.
Yeah. Okay.
So if by September 29th, that case has been taken care of, we won't have your hearing in this court. You'll just be waiting for a bed and safety. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, Ketchum.
So it's opening.
We're ready, Judge.
All right, thank you. All right, counsel, yes.
Judge, after confirming with my client, he's indicated to me that he's going to choose to remain in San Antonio and get monitored by probation. He's elected not to go back to Austin and participate in the Veterans Court program.
All right, state, this is Tyler Richard Paul Ketchum. And I don't believe we were here for a motion to revoke. It was just compliance. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, so his conditions are going to be altered and amended to include a return to Bexar County, and he will be supervised here in Bexar County. And if you all can do an updated TAP evaluation, and also see if Veterans Treatment Court here will accept him.
Okay.
All right, is there anything else, counsel?
Not for defense counsel, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. And probation, I'm sorry, counsel, do you want that TAP evaluation in custody, out of custody?
It's either way. If it's in custody, it takes about 2 weeks. If it's out of custody, it'll be a couple of months.
If it's faster in custody, Judge, I prefer in custody.
All right, so there's going to be an updated TAP evaluation that'll take place in custody. Then he's going to be transferred back to San Antonio for a referral to referral to Veterans Treatment Court as well. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, counsel. All right, Yanis. Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Oh, I'm doing okay. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. So today is final discovery.
Yes, Judge.
Do you have all discovery?
I believe so. The state has actually informed me, though, that they were going to be asking for one item. I don't know if the prosecutors here should say it's I don't know. The one? Yeah. Okay. I think it was the prosecution guide where they check off just like what they have in
SB 111 form?
Right. That was it.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, on this case, put this at the end. You all will need to confer off docket. Norma, put this at the end of September for a plea deadline date. All right, that will be your plea deadline date. Your counsel will confer off docket with the state to obtain a plea offer. And then on September 30th, you'll need to let the court know whether or not you've accepted an offer or come to an agreement.
And the state has, just for the court's awareness, the state has tendered a tentative plea offer, Judge.
All right, thank you.
That's that with Mr. Young.
All right, just have a seat. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Who's here on Eduardo Escalera? All right, court is calling 2020 CR 0291, State versus Eduardo Escalera. Could I have parties announced?
Greg Fania for the state of Texas.
Frederick Nair from Mr. Escalera.
And are you Mr. Escalera?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Eduardo Escalera who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 0291 for the offense of violation of bond or protective order 2 or more times within a 12-month period on August 2nd, 2021 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, we're here this morning on state's motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. Violation condition number 20. On or about the 11th day of July 2025 in Webb County, Texas, the defendant, Eduardo Xavier Escalera, did then and there fail to register for, attend a parenting program with the approved agency in violation condition number 20.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. The state will waive the remaining violations, Your Honor.
That's what I'm defending.
Any objection to the waivers? Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 20, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 20?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 22. Is there proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, and that is to revoke the defendant's probation, adjudicate him guilty, and sentence him to 2 years prison.
I'm sorry, how many?
2.
That's the agreement, Your Honor.
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes.
All right, has he done anything on probation? Has he completed anything?
I did my community.
You want to raise your right hand?
Yes.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hands.
I finished my community hours at SADF. I attended SADF. I completed SADF. I also I enrolled to my VIP classes, but they made me start over because I missed, I think, 2 weeks. So they made me start over again.
So why didn't you complete your parenting classes?
Well, it's because in Laredo, your kids have to be a certain age to attend it, but I was going to start with the same professor there, but I had to finish the VIP classes first.
Problem is primarily drug abuse, Judge. Frequently, he was extended a year ago, or a year. Since then, is concerned most of the violations have been either a failure to show a positive or diluted in drug testing.
I did attend an outpatient program that I emailed a certificate to my probation officer in Laredo, and I think she emailed it over here. It was called SCAN, and my counselor there was Carlavela, and I did it for 6 months with drug testing and everything.
Mm-hmm. All right, probation. What are you requesting?
Probation's recommendation is to extend him for 2 years for 10